Cheeks make up a big part of our face, so it's better to know how to make good use of them. In just a few steps, you'll understand how. Let me show you 5 techniques for 5 cheeky looks. Let's go! First, highlight your whole cheek area with a puff of white powder. Then put on your favorite blush on the lower area of your cheek apples. There you've got chubby cheeks, which everybody will want to pinch and poke. Suck in your cheeks and brush a copper color along your cheekbones. Add a puff of brown on your cheek apples. Blend the 2 colors. Since this technique slims your cheeks for a more defined face structure, it will make you look more mature. Put away that blush brush and grab your favorite lipstick for this one ingredient method. Simply add a stroke of lipstick on your cheeks and another few on your lips for a healthy, glowing look. Brush orange along your cheekbones and add a pop of red on top for a casual but preppy look that suits any occasion. Set some hot pink blush right under your eyes next to your nose. Don't blend too much. Keep the blush firm in one place so it really looks like you're blushing. Remember to use your blush wisely and see you in my next video. Bye bye boo!